exercise number 2, kindly go to the ground floor level. So we have our grids and we're going to create our first wall here. So shortcut for wall is WA. So type WA to start the wall and go to the wall where we created a compound wall. And you know that's the wall that we're going to be using. If that's the wall that has the sweep and reveal that we have created from last week. If you don't have this wall, use any exterior wall for now. And you can always change the wall type later. So either you have this, if not, use any other wall. Now, when you're creating walls, there are several things that you'd like to consider. Number one is, where is your line located? When you create or pick points, where will your wall be at? So where will it be justified? Will it be at the wall center line or the core center line? When we say core center line, let's edit this. Go to floor plan. If this is your core, which is this item here, 152, core center line will be right at the center of that core. So do you like to build the wall where when you pick points, it will be placed at the core center line? So let's cancel that. Or finish face exterior, right? So that's the finish face at the exterior, core face exterior, or core face interior. Now, since we would like to place our wall so that it's offset from the grid at about 150, we would like to use finish face interior. So much so that when we click our points, it will offset 150 away from this grid. So that's one of the things that you need to take note of and set. The next is, where would you like to start your floor? So normally at the ground. And for this particular wall here at grid 1, it should go up to the low roof level. Likewise, with a top offset for our parapet of about 500. So we're building this wall going to the low roof level with a top offset of 500. Okay? It goes down to the ground level, and from the ground, that's where we build our foundation wall. Okay? So we're going to build this wall right here. Okay. So I can start here, about somewhere here. I can just click any point. And notice that the wall doesn't have an offset. So let me cancel. To place the offset, you simply go here and type your offset of 150. Enter. You want this to be a chained wall, so you click and continue creating the next wall. So 150 offset, chain. Always look at the option bar for some settings that you might be able to do. Okay, so just click here. Let's start there. And then you can hit the spacebar key to toggle between which side you'd like to build your wall. So spacebar. Okay. And then we'll go to the intersection. and then go down up to here, and you can also type 4500. So that's the distance for this last wall. Okay, enter and escape. Now here, let's hit escape again or click modify. Here, this should be at 4500. So you can create reference planes. RP is the shortcut. And place an offset of 4500. To locate that 4500 offset. Okay. So this is what you call a reference plane, or you can use that as a guideline. So when you need a guideline, reference planes should come in handy. Now that you have that reference plane, you can simply click and extend this. Yep. So to create reference planes, you type RP, or under architecture, you can click on reference planes. Click here at the grid, right? And with an offset, so don't forget the offset of 4500. Okay, and then you can simply stretch that by selecting this wall and clicking the grip. Okay, stretch that to the reference plane. Now, another tool is the align tool. So type AL. This is very useful in Revit. AL is the shortcut for the align tool. So you click on the line, in this case the reference plane, where you'd like the wall to be aligned to. So click, and then click on the edge of this wall to make it aligned to that point. Hit escape twice to cancel the command. Okay, let's go to a 3D view. Okay, and select shaded. Okay, so that's how you build a wall using reference planes, typing the dimension, okay, using the offset settings. Okay, so what I want you to do is build this wall again from here. It now would go to the high roof. Okay, just go around and end here with an offset, top offset of 500.